You're not allowed to put it in there, but you're not allowed. And they check
Wait,
on
wait,
the floor, and there's not allowed.
wait.
So it was her fault.
Oh wow, 30.
It would be
Even more.
It's his,
Whoever,
not yours.
whoever says I'm poor, they're dumb. They don't know what they're talking about.
That's when she was not.
Freddie, that's not your money. That's his money. So
I know,
say
but
nothing.
still,
Whenever you see these,
we're not
please
poor.
throw it away. Oh, I wasn't here. No, whenever you see it, just throw it away. That's okay. I'm not doing the pickup now. I can't because it's a second. I'm gonna give you change first.
Let's see which one I like. Not this one.
Wait, the 360.
Freddie.
I guess this one.
No.
No,
Which one do you think?
you ain't got no money, man. Money.
I don't like
You ain't got
that
no
one.
money,
Yes, I
money,
do. I have
money.
$9. I have $9 because I used it for my dad's thing. Oh, I can already see when I like. Which one do you think it is?
This one.
No.
Yee.
Which one?
This one. Yee.
No.
Yee.
Nope.
This one.
Nope.
Yee. This one.
Nope.
This one's.
Nope.
This one.
Nope.
This one.
Yes.
This one.
Yes.
You like the emeralds?
Yes. 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 I like that one.
Okay. Hey.
I actually like this one. And Freddie, look. Freddie. Freddie.
Hmm?
I actually like this one. This one right here. And this.
This one. I knew it. I said it, and you said no.
Yeah, but.
Give me a second, second, me. Yup. Entonces hoy día nos quedamos aquí con usted.
No, si yo mañana trabajo. Aquí no voy a dejar.
Nos vamos en bus. Nah, no. Oh wait. So tired. It might be night by now. Oh, it isn't. Oh, it's still morning. Nice. Not bad at all. You know, that's what's up. We got our stuffs and, you know, I'm just gonna sit down here for a minute. Look at that view. That looks amazing. Baby Dot, I think it is. Right there. Baby Dot. Baby Depot, sorry. Baby Dot. Baby Depot. Right now I'm at, let me see, I'm at Burlington. If I said it wrong, I don't know. Don't really care. I want to say it like that. Burlington. Burlington. Whatever. So much money we wasted today. But that's not my money, that's my dad's. And yeah, whoever said I'm poor, you're a retard. Especially you, JR, bitch ass. Oh, sorry, I said one. No. I have to edit that out. Yeep. I think I just messed up right there. Well, whatever. Yep.
Eso, ya te la funda.
Okay.
Gracias. Pero pues con las dos puedes hacer. Ahí. Cógelo, tú también. Acá, aquí está. Ya.
This is giant. Mine looks small, but it's giant. Alright. I think this is all my stuff. Oh God. I forgot to buy something for my boy, Victor. His birthday. Hoy día que estamos hoy.
Oh, son de...
¿Ah?
Son de 29.
¿Junio?
Domingo 29 de mayo.
¿Mayo qué?
29 y cumpleaños para
Mayo 29, junio 6 o 7 es el cumpleaños de Víctor. ¿Ah? ¿Qué? Okay. Junio 7, 8 es el cumpleaños. Junio 7, 8 es el cumpleaños de mi amigo. Ay. Ah. I can feel my face when I'm with you, but I love it, but I love it, oh, I can feel my face when I'm with you, but I love it, love it. Okay, they're coming? No, they're not coming. Bah. Uy, uy, uy. Ah. Okay, that hurts. Ow, ow, my arm, ow, ow, ow. That hurts. Ah, that's so heavy. It's old shoes, clothes, and other stuff. These are all mine. I forgot to buy something for my boy Victor. Should have bought it before. Yep. Oh, I was recording my finger for a minute. Yeah. And yeah. Big shout out to my boy Victor. 16/1621. No. 1621 vlogs. Think.
What time do you think it is?
It's 7:20.
No, 7:19.
I have 7:18
It's 7:19. There's just one
minute left. Late, yeah, late.
Cuéntate yo otro para allá por los cines.
Uy, uy. Cinema.
Now it's
Oh, Cineplay.
Now it's 7:20.
Vamos a ver una película. Ay, vamos. Alright. With all the money we could just buy a car. But my mom doesn't have a license yet. She has to do the test. Oh, are we waiting? Amelie, are we waiting? Are we waiting for someone? Are we waiting for someone? Okay. I guess we're waiting for. Oh. I guess we're waiting for someone right now. So, if you're that idiot, JR, Noah, and Christopher. Well, Christopher's cool. He's cool. We're cool. But if you're JR and Noah, you guys are douchebags. Because I'm not poor at all. Oh, wait. There's some stuff with my sister, I think. Yep, some stuff with my sister. So much stuff about today. I have to think of a title for this. For these needs. Go team.
Hello.
Hello. How are you?
Good.
Good.
This is waterproof.
Good for you, my friend.
Now it's 7:22. Ahora tengo 29.
Ay.
Ah, ok.
Ah.
No, pues ella es buena calculando, ¿no?
¿Qué te debo?
Y ella me debe a mí $20. Mami, préstame tu
Es que yo me olvidé.
$20 allá en la casa.
ya tiene guardado $20. Y se los olvidó en la casa. Si yo le presté hoy día $20 para que te compre el regalo.
Okay.
Mi niño me quiere ver y no nos vamos a ver, yo creo.
Just saying I did not buy no Jordans. Cause it's kind of getting late. We have to go all the way back to Brooklyn. No, not Brooklyn. Ocean Parkway. But it is in Brooklyn. I think, right? Am I right? Or not? All right. We have to go all the way up that mountain. Back to that bus. No. Yeah, back to the bus stop. Go on the bus. Bitty banana bus. Diddy banana bus. Diddy banana bus. So go back into the banana bus. Take a twine to Booking. Back to Booking. Look at the whoa, nah, yay. Alright. Don't play like that with your phone. Just putting it out there. Don't play with that like that with your phone. Yup.
Esto es de la señora Cana.
Cógelo, señora Sonia. Abierto, Rosa.
Hey.
No, está caliente.
Que no nos olvidemos nadie.
Yo lo puse acá.
No, mi papi se siente
¿Qué
aquí.
se siente en medio?
Told you.
Yo lo cierro. Uy. Uy, se me cae. Oh, my phone almost fell down. Okay. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna end the video now. Peace.